Guys, in this video we'll know about how we can download and install Ubuntu on Windows 10 operating system. So before we start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, share and like my channel. Thank you. So let us start. First of all, you need to install the VMware Workstation Pro that's already installed on this computer. It's a Workstation Pro 17 and you can also download the ISO file of Ubuntu. Here we can search down the ISO and click enter, and here you can see the link download Ubuntu desktop. Click here, and here you can see right here you can see 22.04.3. You can download it here, but I have already downloaded it. You can see it's in downloads. You can see it's a desktop version. It's a 22.04.2. So we have to install it using VMware Workstation. Open this VMware Workstation, and here we can create a new virtual machine, and here it should be a custom, that's advanced, and click next and click next, and here you can choose the ISO file and we can browse it. That's in downloads, and browse, click here and click next. You can name it, let us name it Ubuntu, and password you can write down here. Click next and click next. Now we can choose the location, it's in the documents. So click here next, click next, and it's recommended RAM is 2 GB, and we can increase it according to our need. We can maybe write down here 3 and click here next, and it should be here net so that internet can work smoothly. Click next. It's LSI logic recommended. Click next, and virtual disk type should be SCSI drive. Click next and create a virtual disk here. Click next. And now it shows us that whether you want to store it in a single file or a virtual disk into multiple files. So we can store it in a single file. Click here store, and the maximum GB is hard disk will be 20 GB. Click next and click next and finish. Now it has created the virtual machine. Now it will start installing the Ubuntu. Here you can see that it starts installing Ubuntu. Now it takes some time to install it completely. Let us wait for some time. Now you can see the installation window has been started. Now you can see here keyboard layout should be English, and here English. Click here continue. Normal installation, and let's keep it minimal. It will take less time to install, and let us download later. And click here continue. Click install now. Click here continue, and click it automatically detected the region, and click here continue. Let us name it and here password, and click here continue. Now the installation has been completed. Click here restart. Now it's being restarted and the installation has been completed. Now this way you can download and install Ubuntu 22.04. Now this is the login window, and you can put here password. Now you can see the desktop of the Ubuntu. I hope you find this video informative. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and like my channel. Thank you.